Waterdown was founded in 1830. Cute little town on the shoulders of Burlington and Hamilton, right in between. It's a great place to live, a great place to be. And here we are today at 2 Bronte Court, a perfect little spot in a perfect little town. If you asked me what I needed in a townhome, I would just say this: end unit, big wide open windows, updated spaces all through the place. It's just a really cool place to live. And upstairs you have a wonderful primary bedroom with an ensuite bathroom, 3 full bedrooms, just enough space to be able to tell your teenagers to get the heck out when it's time for them to go. And when your teenagers do get old enough, they can actually move down to this basement space. There is a bedroom down here and a half bathroom, so they have plenty of stuff to keep them busy and out of your hair. And as you come out to the backyard, there's actually a multi-tiered deck that's perfect for large family gatherings out in the summertime. There's a double door to get into the backyard for your ride-on mower if you needed it, and a really cool custom-made shed that will store all your outdoor stuff, so you don't need to worry about that. The word of the day is simple. Waterdown is a simple place to live. This house is a simple place to live in. It's got beautiful features, wonderful updates, and an opportunity for you to live a simple life.